Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So this is our design so far, and in this video we will complete the design. Now we start by selecting all the layers of the white shapes. We hold Control, we select the bottom layer, then Control plus Shift. We hold Control plus Shift, then we select the top layer to select all the layers between the top and the bottom one. Then Control plus E to combine them into one single layer. Now right click and we select duplicate layer to copy this layer. I drag this layer down here. Then I will make it in black. Double click on it and I select the black color. Then I drag it to the right like this. Then I copy it again and I will drag it to the left like this. Now I copy it again and I drag it down like this to make this black stroke for the shapes. Now we go up to this shape and right click on its layer. Then we select blending options. We select drop shadow. I make the opacity at 84%, the size at 13 pixels, 31 in the spread, and 38 in the distance. Then I click OK to apply the changes. There are still some final touches to make on the design. So we go to Image, Adjustments, Hue Saturation, Levels. This is just a slight adjustment to the light levels. Now we click OK to apply the changes, and here we are. Now we save the design in PSD. We go to File, Save. We name the file, for example I will call it 2, then we click Save. Now we remove the background first. Then we go to File, Save As, and we save the file, but this time as PNG. Sorry, I need to change the name. That's good. I click Save, then OK, and here we are. Now we go to the mockup. We remove this design. Then we add our own design. So we go to its location. Here it is. I drag it and I put it right here. Then I adjust its size to fit the mockup. We adjust the size and the position of the design. Perfect. And here we are. The design is ready to go. There is just a slight adjustment in here. I will use the eraser tool to delete the black line on top, right here. Right click, then I select the eraser and I delete this black line right here. Perfect. And here we are. This is the final look of our design on a t-shirt. So that's it for this video, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video to work on another design.